Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. Well, you guys know how I love to show you different DIY videos of things that you can make yourself. Well, in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own high shine watermelon lip gloss and what you are going to need to make them. So, if you want to see how that is, keep watching. Alright guys, real quick, we're going to go over everything that I'm going to be using to make my high shine watermelon lip gloss. The first thing is you need a lip gloss base, and I did get this 3.5 pound bag of lip gloss base from TBKCOSMETICSDOTCOM. This is a lot of lip gloss base and it is going to go a long way. Okay, you need some kind of lip gloss base. You're going to need a syringe. I have a 150 milliliter syringe right there. You're going to need a flavoring, and by us making watermelon lip gloss, I'm going to be using this Loran watermelon flavoring. A little bit go a long way. We're going to need some vitamin E oil, a bowl, and of course these little decals that I like to add in my lip glosses because they just make them so cute. Now don't add them in all because everybody don't like the decals, so I just add them in some, and especially if they're asked for. And you're also going to need some little lip gloss tubes, which I also got from TBKCOSMETICS.com. So I will post down below in my description box of everything I'm using in this video, and of course where I got it. So we're squeezing about 1 cup of the lip gloss base into my bowl here, and do you guys see how thick it is? That's where the oils are going to come in. Okay, the oils are going to help to thin out the lip gloss base because it is very, very thick. And I'm just adding in about 1 cup of that lip gloss base. I'm going to get 24 tubes of lip gloss from that base. Okay, and look how thick that is right there. So the first oil that we're going to add in is the vitamin E oil, and then we're going to go in with the star of the show, of course, and this right here is what's going to give your lip gloss that high shine, okay? And that is apricot oil. I love to use this when I make my lip gloss because, again, it already has a shine, okay? The base does, but that apricot oil just make it pop. And now I'm adding in 2 pumps of the Loran watermelon flavoring, okay? Remember what I told you guys. A little bit of that flavoring go a long way. That is a super strength flavoring, and you definitely want to be careful when you are using it. So I'm not really adding any coloring to this lip gloss because you can see the flavoring is coloring the lip gloss perfectly by us making watermelon lip gloss. Look at the color that it's giving it. The flavor, or Lord, the color of a watermelon. I couldn't even really get that out. But there you go, guys. It thinned it out a little bit, but not too much. It's fairly thick still, but it did thin it out a little bit. So I got my 150 milliliter syringe here, and we are going to fill this up. And I like to use these because I don't have to keep refilling these, as opposed to if I had the 20 milliliter or the 60 milliliter syringe. Trust me when I say that one syringe is going to get the job done. So I had my daughter to hold it for me as I started to fill up the syringe with the lip gloss base because I couldn't just stand it up and fill it up, so she had to help me. But we're going to get that piece back on there, and then we're going to start to fill up our lip gloss tubes. After I get some of the decals in there, okay, I did get those in there, and I used the little tweezers that came in with the decals. I don't know if you saw that at the beginning, but they actually gave me the tweezers with the little kit there, and I did get that on Amazon. For those of you that may be wondering, I did get those decals on Amazon. So we're gonna start to fill up the tubes, okay? Now the only thing with using that 150 milliliter syringe is that it is a bit hard to pump into the tubes, so at times I have to lay the tubes down and then fill them up, or sometimes I'll have my daughter to hold the tube as I fill it up. But once I go in with a little bit at the bottom, I squeeze the bottom just to make sure the lip gloss is in those corners, because I like to make sure that my tubes are nice and filled, okay? I really don't like to have the bubbles in there, but sometimes you can't really help it because of the base itself. But yeah, I try to squeeze all of that out. So yeah, then I take my little scribe tool and I move the little watermelon pieces all over the, you know, the tube of the lip gloss, because I like to make it seem as though the watermelon pieces are scattered. So yeah, I just get my little scribe tool that I use on my sugar cookies, and look at that, guys. Cute. These are just so cute. Okay, and like I said, guys, half the time a lot of people just ask for the plain lip glosses. They don't really want the decals in there. But a lot of the orders that my daughter get at school, you know, they like the little decals in there, of course, because they're younger girls and they like to have, you know, the little pieces of decals in there. But yeah, guys, here they are. Here they turned out really, really cute. I got some filled with just plain lip gloss base, and look at these with the decals in them. Really, really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little example here at the end for you guys to see that high shine, and that is pretty much it. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how I make my high shine watermelon lip gloss. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.